Alright, yo, what is up YouTube? So, today I decided that why not just record a video, do my second vlog. So, we are going to just go on a little bit of a morning Big B run. I don't know what I'm going to get, but I thought that I would just bring you guys along with me and yeah, just upload my second vlog. If you haven't seen the first vlog, make sure to check that one out. I thought it was pretty interesting. But yeah, so in the previous video, it was a little bit off. Like, I didn't have the GoPro settings correctly, so the video was really bright, and it was very hard for me to like edit that in post. Like, I couldn't really take away the brightness. This time I'm hoping that the video looks a little bit better. I also set the camera up at a different angle, and I'm doing I think I have the super view on now, so you guys can like see a little bit more of the surroundings, I guess. And yeah, I've really been trying to make sure that my videos are the best quality they can be. And with this mic setup, I know the wind might be a lot at times. There's really nothing I can do about that right now. This helmet is very windy, very loud, so the only other option would be to get like a better helmet or find a way to kind of keep some of the noise out of this one. So that's in the works. And if you guys do enjoy any of my content, it would mean a ton if you could like and subscribe. I'm really trying to grow something here on YouTube. And also, if you haven't seen my TikTok, I do upload content on TikTok as well. And I've been trying to be consistent on there. I haven't been super consistent, but now is the time that I'm going to be really consistent with my content. In a perfect world, I would like to upload at least one vlog a week. I don't know if that's going to happen. I'm not going to say it is for sure, but I hope that I can actually upload at least once per week. I just love going fast. It's probably one of my favorite things ever. This is so much fun. But yeah, I'm gonna try to upload once per week, or not. I don't even know actually, because I uploaded yesterday, or not yesterday. Maybe it was yesterday. But I think right now, maybe I'm not gonna stick to a schedule. Actually, I'm probably just gonna upload whenever I can, or whenever I feel like uploading a video. To be honest, I think that's a lot easier, because there's some days when I really want to upload a video and really want to make content, and I don't want to be stuck to a schedule per se. That might change if my channel does start to grow. Obviously, like, I'm going to stick to a schedule then, but for now I'm just going to upload whenever I can or whenever I want to. I think that would be a lot better for me and my content. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It is kind of just... Whoa, holy shit! Oh my god! But this is kind of just an insight into my life and what I do every day. Not really every day, but like, you know, just giving you guys like a look at how I ride and what happens on my rides. So I would love to like attend events and stuff. That's probably one of my main goals. So whenever I can, I'm going to definitely attend some like bike nights, or just even like probably car meets and just events that are going on in the motorcycle and car community. I think that would be really awesome if I could bring you guys along for that. That's been one of my dreams for a really long time, is to like start vlogging, but I never had like the means necessary to actually vlog like that. So I think that would be really, really cool if I could just like start consistently vlogging and pumping out content and going to like cool events. But even when I'm not going to events, I'd like people to still enjoy my content when I'm just riding around like this, going and getting a drink or going and getting food or whatever the case may be. So I hope that you guys do enjoy this video. I'm trying my hardest to make this the best content that it can be. I know I have a long way to go, but I'm gonna do my best to pump out really good content for you guys. So I don't want to upload like random stuff that's not like good quality. Like I think that's the whole focus of like whenever I make my content, I want it to be like really good quality. I don't want it to be like terrible. So that's always like a goal of mine, is just to make the content the best that it can be. And the first vlog that I did, I wasn't super happy with how it turned out, just because the settings weren't correct, and it kind of just sucked because I thought that like it was a good video and just the quality wasn't there. So that's why I improved on the quality this time, and it should look a ton better than what it did last time. I'm also wanting to like build my bike up because I think like it might be a stupid idea, but I think it would be really awesome to be like unique in the stunt community. Well, I don't want this to be like a stunt bike, but I want it to be like a stunt and a street bike. Because I don't ever see anybody stunt like a lot of 1000s, and especially like not like stock bikes, really. So I'd like to like progress into like stunting a stock bike and be like really good at it. So I don't want to be like everyone else. They always have like 636s and stuff like that. Like I don't want a 636. I want to stunt like this bike and be like unique. So yeah, that's one of my goals as well. I don't know if I'm ever going to get to that point. Like right now, I can't even like hold a wheelie. Like I'm still chasing them out. Like I can get it up consistently. I just can't like slow it down. So it hit like balance point, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Like there's not much that you can do about that. So all you got to do is practice, you know, practice makes perfect, and I try to practice whenever I can. I did not do that right. Yeah, but if you guys like more like kind of a day in the life sort of videos, like let me know. I don't know if this is gonna be like a series. Like I would love to do like a like I mentioned in my previous video, I watch a lot of Brian 636 and his like Hood Eats series. So I like to do something where I just go around and you know, go to different restaurants that I've never been to, and different places that are like kind of hidden gems. Obviously, I don't want to steal from his series. Like I would always give him credit, but I think that would be a really cool idea to just like go out and explore and eat new foods that I've never really tried before. Because normally I don't really go out and eat a lot, especially not like a place that I've never heard of before. So that is also one of my goals when I'm traveling around. So I definitely want to travel someday. I don't know when that's going to happen, but hopefully sooner than later. I think it would be really cool. Yeah, I think I'm going to go inside. Yeah, we're going to go inside, to be honest. Don't want anybody stealing my bike. Can I get a strawberry punch mocktail with sweet foam? 24 ounce, please. And then can I just get a everything bagel with cream cheese? Ooh, this is fancy. Drink and food is acquired. So this is a strawberry punch mocktail with sweet foam, and this is just an everything bagel with cream cheese. Y'all are about to see some jankiness. The motorcycle life. Alright, so I've done this once before and it didn't spill. So we're just gonna do it again and hope for the best. I think I was using a different backpack last time though, so I don't know. But hey, if it works, right? I hope my drink's not spilling everywhere. Speed bump. Gotta love the speed bumps. Speed bump. Ooh, they didn't spill. Yes. Okay. So, if you guys did enjoy this video, I'm gonna go drink my drink. Please like and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. Like, I've been trying my best to produce really good content. So, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.